Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to the tutorial channel. Today, let's go through the new EG6 from initial model, the orange and the yellow release. This is pretty much the fifth and sixth color for the initial model. So let's go straight to it. So this is the orange one, quite straightforward in the normal red color packaging. So this is called the orange metallic. This is as usual. Okay, so let's go straight to it. Okay, so this is actually the fourth model that they have done in orange. The RX-7, the 86, and also the Malaysia event exclusive GTR. The reason why I put them here is because I want to do a quick comparison to share with you guys whether it's different. Because we know that the dark blue EG6, even though it uses the same name of metallic blue, but it's a new shade. So we'll go through this orange also to compare with the previous release. So let's just remove it from the base and let's take a closer look at it. Alright, okay. So these are die-cast models, if you didn't know yet. And I would say in this scale, die-cast initial model by far has done a pretty impressive job on the details. So these are not new wheels. They have already done these wheels before, but only on the EG6. So they've done it on the white and the red. Okay, right. So I think it's safe to say there's nothing really new on this release because the orange is done before, the wheels are also done before. Nice. Okay, so next, let's take a look at the yellow. So the yellow, this is only the second time they've done the yellow. Both times it's in a white sleeve, which is the exclusively distributed by Tarmac Works. Okay, so the color is just called yellow. Right. Okay, let's go in and let's take it out. And let's see. So in a way, I would say there's nothing exactly new on this model as well, because the yellow, I'm guessing that they've really done it before because it does look very similar. The wheels, it shares the same wheels as the EG gray and the blue as well. So not exactly new. However, still a pretty impressive job on this model. It's still very nice that we're able to see all the panels, the gaps very nicely. So somehow they've managed to adjust the level of thickness of the paint quite well, I would say. Very impressive. Okay, so let's do a very quick comparison with the previous orange release from Tarmac Works. From initial model. So this orange metallic, exactly the same as the new one. Alright, so if we go straight to it, let's just put it side by side. Let's see. Yeah, so it's pretty much the same shade of orange. And of all the colors, this is actually my favorite one out of all the initial 164 models at the moment. The orange is still, I think, one of the best one out there right now. What do you think? What's your favorite color? Nice, very nice. Okay, so I'll just put it here for a bit, and then we'll check out the yellow. Okay, put it next to each other. Let's see. Yeah, it's pretty much the same shade of yellow. Very close to each other. I think that's a very slight variant. Probably, maybe from the same, it shares the same color code. It's just maybe, the machine, it's not gonna be exactly the same. So it's a slightly different shade. You can actually watch all my videos in full HD because Oh no, oh no. Oops. Oops. Okay, nothing drop off. Yeah, so that's the thing about diecast models. They are not as delicate as resin models, so that's why it's really impressive of the level of details that initial model has managed to pull off. Yep, nice. My heart skipped a bit for a while there. All right, so that's about it for this round. I will be taking close-up photos of these guys and putting them on my Instagram. Remember to follow me there, virtutoys.mj. And remember to hit the subscribe button, like, and also share my videos if you want to follow me on more awesome diecast videos. Alright, so thank you very much for watching. Bye.